Hello my friends and welcome. Here's Jose from LuoVita, and today I'm going to talk about how to use affirmations for maximum effectiveness. And how do we do that? Well, when using affirmation you want to choose ones that target a specific behavior, belief, an area in your life or that needs improvement, right? So positive affirmations engage young parts of the brain that process these positive valuations. That means these act as visual aids. And ideally you should start by writing down negative thoughts each day and work on that. Try to catch up any patterns that repeat while using affirmations. Avoid also being overly optimistic and use neutral counter-arguments. So you become more accustomed to this method. You can also gradually build up your positive thinking. It's very important. So, positive affirmations. What can we do with this? With positive affirmation, we target always this specific area, right? This area, this behavior or belief that you're struggling with. And if you're struggling with a specific area and belief, you can use these positive affirmations to change your thinking. So this statement should be realistic and credible. And for example, you can use an affirmation to help you increase your confidence. So you can ask, for example, for a raise or something else that's really bothering you, right? So affirmations can also help you overcome negative self-talk. Very important. So the most important thing to remember about this positive affirmations is that they target your conscious mind and not your unconscious mind. So that's important. Why? Because they are deeply held. Sometimes, these affirmations are not really congruent. That there are deeply held negative beliefs and we struggle with them. So a common example is, for example, someone that's is thinking, I'm not so much worthy of something. This belief, this feels real, and it's often this root cause also for depression. So forcing yourself to believe these beliefs can lead to feelings of self-doubt and disconnection with the universe, with your true essence, right? One of the key ways to stay on track with this is to attach this affirmations, this positive affirmation, to this daily ritual. So, for example, you can practice affirmations every day after brushing your teeth, after the morning coffee, or at lunch, at work, or attaching these affirmations practices. Really important. This will increase your likelihood that it will stick. It'll stick in the long term, So use these positive affirmations, and this will make really a big difference in your life. I also struggled with this, and I am struggling with this also now, So general affirmations are effective for everyone. So some people find it helpful to target some particular behavior, area or belief that they are really struggling with. For instance, you can use this positive affirmation to increase this confidence before some big meeting, or you can use these affirmations to overcome negative emotions and habits. So you can also use them to improve problem-solving skills. So some researchers say that this type of self-talk improves this cognitive performance and putting this mind in this higher level state. So this means this positive affirmations can even boost your conscious part, your IQ even. So a study found that they engage regions of the brain that's associated with this positive valuation. And the results of this current study also shows that affirmations engage with these neural pathways we have associated with positive valuation and self-processing. So they are related to future-oriented values always affirmations, and they engage these regions of the brain that are more efficiently than these past-oriented affirmations. So that means these values, these future oriented values are really more effective, and the activities, this can activate. These activities activate the reward system in the brain. That's very important because, if there is some kind of reward, this just motivates us, and also nature itself. And then the brain responds to this positive valuation. For example, in this study, participants were asked to imagine past or future events that were associated with values. And then they were also asked to recall positive events. So after this, they were asked to make a value statement or think about a specific everyday activity. So these responses increased a lot the activity of the brain. So this indicates that affirmations were engaging regions of the brain for this effectiveness, for this engagement, right? In addition to this, participants really completed a series of baseline measures that were used as benchmark for these activities. They were also fitted with this device on the wrist, and then to measure this level of activity. And the device measured activities such as walking speed in a hallway, climbing stairs, and these accelerometers, as they call it, were worn for a week. And these tests were used to monitor this brain activity also. Affirmation is powerful intervention. It's this powerful intervention for changing behavior. And this technique can improve this cognitive processes of people who are really at risk of some kind of behavior. So it also helps to ask individuals to recognize their self-relevance. So these neural mechanisms of affirmation remain sometimes really poorly understood, and they act as visual aids. Visual aids are used to enhance presentation by bringing information to life and capturing the attention of the audience. So when we combine these visual aids with verbal information, people learn more quickly and easily than if you just hear it, right? So visual aids make concepts more accessible. That's why I'm talking always about this vision boards. This is because the brain processes visual and verbal information differently. So positive affirmation can work as visual aids. The most effective ones are written in the present tense and are about the present and future, not the past experiences. So this is important because you can write them on cards, on notes, and put them in a visual board, as I said, on a list and somewhere where you see it. So if you're having trouble, for example, visualize the desired behavior, you can try using visual aids to help you focus on it. So they target these beliefs in which you're struggling with. And affirmations are also phrases or sentences that you repeat over and over to encourage yourself and to change these negative thoughts and behavior. So this should be always positive. It can be difficult to integrate when you're thinking negative thoughts, I know, but there are powerful tools to help you overcome these negative thoughts. And affirmations are most powerful when they are target a specific area, behavior, belief in your life. So to begin, you can consider which areas in your life you would like to change. Write down what you would like to change and choose this affirmation that goes along with that goal. Make sure that this affirmation is true and resonates with your core values. It's very important. So affirmations are most effective when they are used in communication and with other positive thinking techniques. For example, goal setting, and these techniques are really especially effective if you are trying to break a bad habit or overcoming a fear. So you can attach an affirmation to your daily routine by attaching it to a ritual or a specific time in your day. For example, if you want to start your day on the right foot, you can practice affirmations after brushing your teeth, after drinking, as I said, a coffee. So practice is crucial. you will more likely to stick with it if you practice it every day. So if you need help, please check out the description, subscribe to our blog, subscribe to our channel. But in the blog you will receive once a week powerful indications. Everything is free. You have the options, of course, to go further, but you will receive once a week this mind setting system, let's say it. That means it's up to you to interpret how do you want, but it's personal. You mean you will construct it on your way. And this will help you to see life-changing opportunities and also ways to modify things that are bothering you. So I invite you to check it out, and please let me know and take care of yourself. Until next time. Bye bye.